Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In today's session, let's see if a number entered by the user is an Armstrong number or it's not an Armstrong number. How do we find out if the number is an Armstrong number? Suppose we are having a number with n digits, say A, B, C, D, and it goes on till n digits. And we, for each of the digit, if we perform the power to the if it is raised to the power of n, because it is n digits, we are raising each of the digit to the power of n, and then we are adding all the digits raised to the power of n, and if this sum is equal to the number itself, then we say that the number is an Armstrong number. For example, if I take 153, it has got 3 digits, so the order is 3. So 1 raised to the power of 3 plus 5 raised to the power of 3 plus 3 raised to the power of 3. So all these individual digits raised to the power of 3, if we do the summation, if it is equal to the number itself, if we add, if the sum of all these 3 digits raised to the power of 3 is equal to the number itself, then we say it is an Armstrong number. If it is not equal to the number itself, then we say it's not an Armstrong number. Since 153 was having 3 digits, we raised it to the power of 3. If I take a 4-digit number, say 1634, then I have to raise it to the power of 4. 1 to the power of 4, 6 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 4, 4 to the power of 4. And after adding these values, it should be equal to 1634. Then we say it as an Armstrong number. So, for coding this, what are the steps required? First, we have to find the digits. We have to find the order of the number, that is how many digits the number has. Find number of digits the number has. So first we have to find the order, then get the individual digits. We have to get the individual digits, that is A, B, C, D, or 153. In this case it is 153. We have to get 153, the individual digits. Then calculate a to the power of n, that is 1 to the power of 3, because it is having order is 3 in this particular example. Again b is the second digit, 5 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 3. And then we have to sum up the values obtained in step 3. So we have to add all those values. We have to do plus over here for all the values. And after adding, we have to check if that particular sum is equal to the number itself. If it is equal, then it is an Armstrong number, else it's not an Armstrong number. Now let's look into it practically. Initially I am saying my num equal to input enter a number. So it will take it in the string format. My number will be in the string format. Suppose user enters 153. Then my number will be having in the string format 153. Then order equal to length of num. So my order is nothing but the length of num. Since it's a 3-digit number, it will take the order as 3 for this particular example. That is 153. It is 3 digit. So length of the number is 3. So my order becomes 3. Now I'm converting my num to num1 by having int. I'm typecasting it into an integer. So num is a string, num1 is an integer value. Then I'm saving my num1 in a temporary variable called temp. Then I'm initializing 0 to sum. Then there is my while loop, while num1. So num1 initially in our case will be 153. The number will be 153. So it is greater than 0. So it enters the while loop. Then in 153, the last digit is 3. So num1 modulo 10 will give 3. So every time it will give one digit in the number num1. And for each of the digit, it will perform power of the digit and order. Order is nothing but 3 because the length of the number is 3. So for each of the digits, it will perform power. Power is a function, the math function. So power of digit comma order. Digit is the last digit and order is 3 in this particular scenario because it is a 3-digit number. And then I reduce my num1 by saying num1 floor division 10. So if it is 153, 3 will be removed and 15 will be given out. So every time my number gets reduced and the last digit will be taken and the power of the digit will be calculated. And after calculating the power of the digit with the order, it will be added up to the sum. So it will do a summation of all the powers of the individual digits. And then and then in the last iteration, my num1 becomes 0 after the 3 iterations. In the fourth iteration, in the third iteration, it becomes 0. So while 0, it comes out of the while loop. And then it will check if sum equal to temp. So the sum whatever we have obtained over here, that is the power of the digits, power of the individual digits raised to the power of, sorry, it's the power of the digit raised to the number of length of the number. That summation, if it is equal to the number itself, temp is nothing but the number 1, num1. So if it is equal to the number itself, it will say number is an Armstrong number, else it will say number is not an Armstrong number. Now let us run this particular code. So I get a message telling enter a number on the console. I'll enter 153 and press enter. It says it's an Armstrong number because 1 to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 3 is equal to the number itself, that is 153. So it's an Armstrong number. Now let me run the code once again. Enter a number 120. Let me enter it as 120. It will say it's not an Armstrong number. So the digits raised to the power of 3 and summation of all those digits raised to the power of 3 is not equal to 120. So it will say it's not an Armstrong number. And similarly, if I take 1634, a 4-digit number, sorry, if I take a 4-digit number, that is 1634, it says it's an Armstrong number because 1 raised to the power of 4 in this scenario because it is 4-digit number. 6 raised to the power of 4, 3 raised to the power of 4 and 4 raised to the power of 4 is equal to the number itself, that is 1634. So it says it's an Armstrong number. If I give 1111, sorry, let me run it. If I say 1111, it says it's not an Armstrong number. So this is how we find out if a number entered by the user is an Armstrong number or not. So hope so friends it was clear for you. If you have any doubt, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.